With simple steps, just a few steps you can recreate. The charm of Thailand in your kitchen with Som Tum, green papaya salad. Som Tum, green papaya salad. Ingredients: green papaya, 200 g, shredded. Cherry tomatoes, 1 cup. Green beans, 1/2 cup. Peanuts, 1/4 cup. Garlic, 3 cloves. Thai chili, 2, sliced. Lime juice, 3 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. Palm sugar, 1 tablespoon. Cooking process: pound garlic, chili, and peanuts in a mortar. Add papaya and vegetables. Mix in lime juice, fish sauce, and palm sugar. Cooking time: 15 minutes.